Making delicious French toast is easy. Just follow the steps in this video. Here are the ingredients you need for French toast. Crack 2 eggs into a medium-sized bowl, then whisk. We like to whisk the eggs on their own, so the yolk and egg whites fully combine. Add milk, vanilla extract, sugar, cinnamon, salt, and any other spices you like. Mix well. Any type of bread is fine to use for French toast. We have this raisin brioche, so we're using that. It's best if you use bread that's at least a day old, as it absorbs the mixture better. Brioche works really well because it absorbs a lot of liquid. Slice the bread into thick slices. Don't worry if your bread is pre-sliced. Use whatever container you have that the bread fits best into. Pour in the liquid and let the bread soak long enough for it to absorb a lot of the mixture. You should soak each side for at least 2.5 minutes. You don't want French toast that's dry in the middle. While the bread is soaking, heat a frying pan on medium heat. Melt some butter. Now turn the heat down to low. Carefully lift each slice with a spatula. Shake it a little to remove excess liquid and place in the pan. If you find this video helpful, please share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you! Cook 4 to 5 minutes, then carefully flip the French toast. Cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. Look at this nice golden brown color. Our French toast is cooked to perfection. We love ours with butter and maple syrup. If you enjoyed this video, we think you'll like this one too.